The bag was really helpful. I was actually getting over.
Yeah.
Toad.
Oh, Lenny, come on.
Come on, Len. Oh, Len, you're not scoring. Come on, in between that.
Up you come.
If you need, oh yeah, perfect, good. Perfect, no, that's good because now I've got to get it over the lip of the bag. The bag helps me out.
I don't like that. Fuck it.
I like that. I like this.
Len, you got to improvise.
You've got to improvise.
China.
I like it.
Oh.
I'm not gonna lie, that bag's brilliant. Because that's much, it's a different...
It's a different bounce, I've got to get it over the lip, haven't I? Kader.
I've got a feeling this is going to be the first time finish from King. Don't worry about it, boys. You get it right, and I'll do the rest.
Oh no, sorry,
Don't
that's
worry
why
about it. First time finish, yeah.
Let's just stay down there.
Oh, too little!
Oh!
Just a little too late.
Got it to you, Jace, as well.
You need to clear yourself out the way, Jay, as well.
Oh!
Okay, sorry.
Jace, once you hit it, you got to go back down. It's like a little pop-up.
Get your leg. Get your leg. So get in the way of Kingy. So Kingy's there and he's being tripped up by you.
Here we go, here we go.
Here we go. Great header.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Well played, everyone. Well played.
I think I'm in the round. The feet up.
Just get in. Just get in when you can.
Oh, no.
Oh, good square.
Hold on.